Hi Emma. Hi Layla. Hi Mommy. See, this is in the airport. See all the planes? See, there's one. Oh, there's a truck. That's the big plane, see? Do you see that plane? Yeah. That one is parking. And then people go on that plane and then they will fly on the plane. And that's how they do it. See? See that plane way over there? That plane's on the runway and it's going to fly away. That's what the planes do. That's what they like to do. Did you know that? And then there's other planes, and sometimes they land in the runway too. See? It's really big. The planes are really big. Did you know that? See, there's another plane, but that's also parking. And see, and Daddy is inside the airport and he's watching the planes. Right now, Daddy is in China. That's why all of the planes have the Chinese writing on it. But that plane's an American plane. That's from Delta. But it's also parking. It's not flying away. Not yet. I wonder if we're gonna see any plane. Oh, there's a plane. Look how fast it's going. Oh, look. The plane's gonna fly away. Plane's gonna fly away. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, airplane. The plane flies away. Did you see that? That's amazing. I wonder if there's going to be any other planes that fly away. It was going really fast, right? Look, that plane's landing. See? It's flying and then it stops on the ground. See? Now it lands on the ground. See how fast it goes? Wow. That's white and red. That plane is white and red. But all of the planes are white, right? Oh, what's this plane doing here? What are you doing, airplane? Where are you going? Mr. Airplane, where are you going, airplane? What are you do? Uh-oh, airplane stopping. Airplane goes night-night. Night-night, airplane. Airplane goes night-night. Look at the little person. See the little person in the yellow shirt? What's he doing there? Oh, there's the white plane again. What is that? It's a baby car. Hi, baby car. Where are you going, baby car? What are you doing here? There's a bus. Wow, that's a bus. There's another baby car. Oh, there's a bus. I wonder if any other plane's gonna come here today. Oh, look. That plane's landing. That's the black and white plane. It's landing. What do you think that plane has in it? Some gummy bears? Some itsy bitsy spider? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Bye-bye, airplane. Bye-bye. Airplane's running away. Why is he running away? You scared him.